Okay, so yeah. So I went on and gave it to someone that can actually use it instead of returning it. And so this is the y'all. I am so excited. Let me turn on the lights. Not too much light because it's still daylight. Okay, so and this is so nice. I love it. Now this one was around 50, a good $50. Wireless keyboard. Oh, isn't that cute, y'all? No, it's more than cute. Okay, let's open this. Let's open it. So me and Coco been enjoying the day, doing some cleaning. Now we are cooking getting some dinner ready, as a matter of fact. Okay, y'all, this is this is such a beautiful color. Now this is the care case, care bag, and of course we got instructions. Instructions here. Yeah. Oh, and y'all know I love lavender. Y'all know that. Y'all know I'm just a girly girl. Okay. And okay, y'all. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna put my iPad in and see how it works, y'all. See how it works. Okay, y'all, here she is. Come on, turn on. Turn on. Okay, you all, we got her together. Y'all know how it is, and she's pretty. It's a nice purple, and I'm gonna show you how I swivel, y'all. I wanted me a swivel one. Now, the case that I had bought a few days ago, I just went on and I gave it to someone that could use it. So Coco has her little friend that she goes to play with, and I asked her, Mommy, if she could use it. And she was so happy, and it was brand new, never used, and so I gave it to her. I'd rather give it to someone than to go through all of that hassle talking about returning it, because it's always somebody that will love. Okay, so I do that to clean my screen. But let me show y'all the swivel. I love the swivel. It's cool. But you got the swivel. So when you swivel, see, that's the swivel. That is so cool. Oh, that's so cool. I love it. Now this one's $50. I love it. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. Well worth it. This peach, this purple, she is so pretty. And you know when you purchase something, y'all, you got to take time and read the instructions, how you operate it. So here she is. She's so pretty. She is so pretty. Very light, very compactable, user friendly. It is. So just take your time and read the instructions. But y'all know how it is when you get stuff. You're excited. You open it, and then the next day, that's when I start reading the instructions. Cause I got this yesterday. So yeah, and I would rather have this than a laptop because This is smaller than the laptop. The iPad is smaller than the laptop. And it's easy, very, very easy to carry. Now let's see how it closes. There you go, y'all. See? She's a beauty. She is a beauty, and yes, I am a Apple girly. Everything Apple. My Apple Watch, my iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I am recording this on. I am a Apple girl. You can easily put this in a tote. Easily. And then, so let's do it like this. It's easier. Put that way to open it. And then, I like to use these two to open up the case. She is so pretty. I really love the swivel. That is so cool. I really love it. I'll be playing with this swivel all day. It's cute. More than cute, she's gorgeous. Okay, y'all, thanks for my unboxing. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos. Bye, babes.